I didn't prepare like this to just go and sit down. Like, hey my loves, it's Life of Frida and I'm back again with another video. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Frida. I talk about all things lifestyle, all things beauty, products reviews, and so much more. And if you're my OG, my MVP, you know how we do it. Yes, my subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you for being consistent with this channel. Thank you for sticking around and thank you for all the love. Yes, this is a special appreciation. Thanks to everybody that slid into my DM for recommendations, you know, to get products from me. I appreciate so much. It shows that my community is growing and you guys trust in me. I appreciate so much. Thank you so much. I love you to say the least. So today I'm bringing to you a very spicy topic, and it's very helpful because it covers a lot of, you know, it covers different ranges. You know, if you can't get this, you get this. No, it's not that type of video. We're going to be talking about a particular range of products, and then you can just get any of them and they'll work perfectly for you. So stick around guys, because today is going to be so educative. Guys, I know that this is not my normal lightning, but you guys have to manage. I think I'll attach a clip of what happened. It's a lie. I had already set up, there was lights, everything, the sun was giving. I'm not even lying. All of a sudden the sun went down, the lights, they took the lights, like everything. But I just noticed that the quality of the video is good regardless, so I'm just going to do it regardless, because I didn't prepare like this to just go and sit down. Like, I have to do this video. You guys have been starving for a long time, and if you check my previous video, it's not how my videos were. I just had to put something out there for you guys. So today I'm going to do this video regardless. So pardon my lighting, pardon my setup. You know that is not how it used to be, but we're moving. So guys, today we're going to be talking about 10 effective shower gels. You heard me right. 10 effective shower gels that will take your skin from 0 to 100. You know that a skincare routine is meant to comprise of different products and different ingredients so that it can actually work, it can be effective. Shower gels, body soaps plays a very vital and important role when it comes to your skincare journey, your skincare routine, and your journey to a beautiful skin. So today I'm going to be bringing to you 10 very effective shower gels. You can use them with a mild lotion, you can use them with a strong cream. You know, everything just has to have a balance, and then you can use them alone, guys. That's it for today. You can actually use these shower gels alone and your skin is going to be giving. So stick around because it's going to be hot. 10 effective shower gels for you guys. In order not to waste time, if you see me looking at my book, you already know that I wrote for you guys a lot. So I'm going to be referring to my book because I need to get the names and then talk about them. The first shower gel on the list is the Snapchat shower gel. I'll attach a picture here. This shower gel is very beautiful. If you know about the Snapchat range, like you know about the Snapchat lotion, you know their face cream, you know that Snapchat does not disappoint. So Snapchat did a thing when it comes to this shower gel. I love it. There is the blue, there is the black, and they are both very effective. effective. I don't know if there's the cream color. I have not seen it yet, but there should be probably. I just know of the blue and the black, and they are very effective, guys. I'm putting you on to this shower gel. Snapchat shower gel is very effective and nice, and it's something that you can even use without the lotion. You can combine it with the lotion. You can decide to use it with another lotion, but Snapchat shower gel is the bomb. Okay, the second shower gel on our list is the SK shower gel. SK has a whole range of different shower gels, so I'm just putting you on. Don't be restricted by just one picture. Okay, go browse them, go shop them. SK has a whole wide range of shower gels, and all their shower gels are chef's kiss. I'm not even capping. Like, they are so effective and amazing, guys. So if you can get the SK shower gel, go get them. They come in different range. I think there's the blood orange, there's this white one that has like scrub in it, there's the orange one, it's orange with scrub particles in it. Like, there are a lot. There's the glutaberry, yes, there's glutaberry of SK. About. So the SK has a whole range of shower gels. That's why I'm just using a picture that I can get, and to refer. But you can get this one if you want to, and if you want other ranges, you can just browse about the SK brand, and you will see different shower gels under their brand. Okay, the third shower gel on my list is the Cyprus shower gel. It has the white, it has the orange. These two are very amazing. This shower gel, though, I won't recommend this shower gel for anybody that has a sensitive skin. Yes, it's that potent, it's that effective. Cyprus shower gel is very effective, so I will recommend it for somebody that has a sensitive skin, a skin that is easily irritated and all of that. No, please don't go for this shower gel if you have a sensitive skin. But if you have a normal skin, a tough skin, an oily skin that is not sensitive, you can go for this shower gel and come and tell me what happened. Come and tell me this shower gel is effective, guys. It is effective. But you know how we do around here. Go back to my previous video to know how to use lightning products safely. I did not say you should bombard yourself with everything. Yes, you know how. Go back to my previous video to know how to use lightning products effectively, so that you don't wear out your skin. Okay, so this shower gel is very effective. You can just pair it with a mild lotion. Please don't pair it with anything strong, because it's already strong on its own. At the end of this video, I'll be telling you how to use shower gels for the best effect, not just bathing with the shower gel. How to use it for the best effect. So if you don't stay to the end of this video, you miss. So the fourth shower gel on my list is the Fair and Glow shower gel, guys. This shower gel is beautiful. You can pair it with whatever lotion, it will go perfectly. It's such an amazing shower gel. I love it so much, and you can also use it on its own, to just give your skin a glowing effect. The Fair and Glow shower gel, sweet. It also helps to clear dark spots on the body, scrub your skin, give you this radiant and beautiful glow. This shower gel is amazing. So if you can't get it. Yeah. So the fifth shower gel on my list is the Glutathione shower gel. Glutathione Injection shower gel. This particular shower gel comes in different sizes, different colors, different ranges. So anyone that you can get your hands on, you do, please. But get the Glutathione Injection shower gel. It's very effective. I won't even lie to you. You can confidently use the shower gel without cream, and your skin is going to give no shaking. So yes, use the shower gel without lotion. If you don't like lotion, you can use it with the body oil, all of that, or you can use it with the lotion. For my girls that like to do extra safely, though, yeah. But this shower gel is amazing and nice. You like your skin after you use it. And all the shower gels I'm recommending, they are super nice, super effective. So whichever one you can get your hands on. They come in different price ranges. I won't be going into prices currently. I wanted to incorporate saying the prices, but I can't, guys. The market is constantly changing. Let me not go and say something and cause bad market for another person. The market is constantly changing, but whichever one you can get your hands on, they are effective. All I know is that none of the shower gels are up to 20k. That's what I can tell you. None of them are up to 20k. Some are close, some are not close to 20k, but none of them are up to 20k. That's what I can just tell you, okay? So get your hands on them. Super effective and nice. The sixth shower gel is the Veet Gold shower gel. We all know that this shower gel was trending on TikTok for a reason. One of the things that TikTok had that actually made sense. Yes, this shower gel is nice. You can use it with your strong lotion, you can use it with your mild lotion. It's not so strong. So I want, maybe if you don't like cream, you just want a nice shower gel that will just keep your skin nice, you can use it. But I would prefer you pair it with a lotion, right? Because it needs a lotion. Yes, the shower gel is not so strong on its own, just on its own, except you have a very soft and sensitive skin. Yeah, but the Veet Gold range of shower gels are much, so whichever one it is, use it. It's very nice. Veet Gold products are actually very nice. So if you can get your hands on any of these shower gels, please do. They are very effective and they work perfectly. Yeah, the seventh shower gel on my list is the Purest Glow shower gel. You know, when something is good, I'll say it's good. you know the shower gel is effective. It's effective, but it's very scarce in the market. So if you can get your hands on it, that's to show you how amazing it is, right? It sells out like this, like water. This shower gel is very nice. Your skin is going to just be smooth, milky, glowy, radiant. I'm not telling you that this shower gel will take you from 3 to 4 shades. So no. Yeah, this shower gel is just very nice. It contains exfoliating particles. It's super effective. I'm not even lying. Like, I can beat my chest. When they say have something from 1 to 10, and you say 10, it's like this thing is 1,000 over 10. This shower gel is very effective. So any one of them, there are two. Purest Glow has two, I think, two shower gels. Yeah, so either of them, very amazing. If you can get your hands on it, please do. They are very amazing. The next on my list is the Golden Glow shower gel. This shower gel is sweet. It's sweet. It's too sweet. It's too nice. Oh god, like I'm giving you guys tea, because talking about these shower gels just give me joy. These are shower gels that have not given me issues. Like, I have used some of them, and people that I have done recommendation for have used some of them, and it has been so nice. That's been very nice. This Golden Glow shower gel is very amazing. I know somebody that uses it without lotion, and her skin is clean, her skin is nice, her skin is getting compliments every day. So guys, Golden Glow shower gel, I think there's one in the yellow container, and there's this. The both of them, whichever one you can get. That's why don't just restrict yourself to these pictures I'm putting out. If you know a shower gel that you would want, just go browse the name and then get it. Do you understand? Browse the name online and see the different ranges and get them. I'm just putting pictures that I can get my hands on, because I can't cover the screen obviously with products. Or do you understand? But these ones I'm putting here are actually effective. So if you want to limit yourself with the ones I put here, by all means, I will not lie to you. This shower gel does what it says. It's very nice. Golden Glow shower gel. You can compare it and combine it with the lotion, oils, whatever. You can stand on its own. It's a very nice shower gel. Please get your hands on it. I'm not even lying. It's very effective. Okay. Yes, so the ninth shower gel on my list. God, our list is coming to an end. I'm actually enjoying talking about shower gels because they give me joy. They play such a huge role when it comes to skincare routine, how your skin is, and that just is very therapeutic to take your bath. I think that's what I'm heading at. It's actually very nice and therapeutic to take your bath. So why not take your bath with something that you know that it will make your skin sweet after that. Do you understand? So yeah, this shower gel are very nice. Now to the ninth shower gel on my list is the Easy Glow shower gel. Easy Glow has been here, but you guys are still sleeping on Easy Glow. Easy Glow is actually nice, but I would advise that you combine Easy Glow shower gel with a lotion, that like a lightening lotion. Yes, combine it with a lightening lotion and you would love it so much. I don't know how it is standing on its own, but nah, it's not as strong as this lotion, right? But Easy Glow shower gel is actually really strong and nice, and it will blend out your skin. So if you're a dark person, you can actually use Easy Glow shower gel. I said it. Yes, you can use it, but use it safely. It's just going to glow your skin. If you're using it, you should also have a soap that you alternate with, like Easy Glow shower gel in the night, Dove soap in the morning. You understand my point now? Hair stuff like that. Don't just bombard your skin with lighting. Let there be a balance. Okay, so yes, Easy Glow shower gel is very nice. If you can get any one of them, get it. I'm not recommending any particular one for any particular like body type or anything. No, because they all suit. They're all nice. I'll just tell you my reservations when it comes to each and every product, but so far they're all nice. Like Easy Glow shower gel is very nice. Yes, so the next last in no particular order, the last product on our list, the 10th shower gel, is the Bismid shower gel. Yes, after this I'll tell you how to use shower gels for best effects. Stick around. It's the Bismid shower gel. It is sweet. I personally have not used it, but I know people that are crazy about it. Somebody was like, it's me and Bismid till their kingdom comes. So it works. Yes, people buy it. It sells out a lot too. So Bismid is a nice product. They have beautiful ranges of lotions, so their shower gel is also very nice. And the thing is that it's big. That shower gel will last you. It is very big, so it will last you. So the Bismid shower gel, guys, we have come to the end of this list. I will be telling you how best to use your shower gels for the best effect. Okay, when you go to the bathroom, you pour water on your body and you just apply your shower gel like you're rubbing a cream, a lotion, just in a circular motion. Just keep on going round your whole body. If after that, then you can brush your teeth. Just leave the shower gel to sit. Then when you want to wash, you can also wash your face while the shower gel still sits on your skin. You know, the 60 seconds washing of face, you can make it like 60 seconds, just taking your time washing your face. Let the shower gel be sitting on your skin before you now bathe. At least the shower gel should sit for like 5 minutes on your skin before you bathe, and after that your skin is going to start giving because you've let the product to penetrate. Especially after you scrub, just lather this shower gel around your body and allow it to enter. Then you've scrubbed, you've exfoliated your pores are open and receptive to whatever you use. So that is the best time. Utilize that time, massage your shower gel in your skin very well for best effects. You will love your skin. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. The enemy tried, but we're bigger than the enemy. My lightning wanted to deal with me, but look at the natural sunlight that God has given me. Is doing the, even the sunset was hiding in sometimes. Look at this sun is shining now. Thank you so much, guys. This is the end of the video. I love you so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, send to your friends, turn on your post notification button. Just show me love, guys. Show me love in the comment section. And if you've used any of the shower gel, let me know how it wears on your skin. What do you face while using it? All of that. Thank you so much, guys. I love you and God bless you. Mwah. Bye.